Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, go to Windows Update Settings. After that, check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find. And then go to GeForce Experience, check for updates, install the latest update for your graphics card, and then go to background apps, turn off the first option and restart your PC. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.